talk about how to make your living room look elevated, cozy, and expensive without breaking the bank. Whether you're working with a small space, a starter apartment, or you just want to upgrade or refresh your home for the season, these 6 simple upgrades will transform your space. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I share stylish, real-life home ideas you can actually use. If there's one design element that quietly transforms a space, it's a rug. It grounds your furniture, helps define the room, and instantly makes everything feel more pulled together. In my home, I went with this low-pile neutral rug because it blends beautifully with my tones and doesn't compete with other textures. Since my layout is open concept, I needed something soft underfoot, but still wide enough to anchor the sectional without making the room feel cramped or heavy. Now, if you're styling a smaller living room, here's the trick. Go as big as your space allows. Even if just the front legs of the furniture rest on the rug, it'll make the space look more expansive and curated. Another thing I love about this rug, it keeps the space looking and feeling cool, which actually brings me to something I think every stylish home needs in the summer. This portion of today's video is sponsored by Dr. Prepare, and I have to say this came at the perfect time. They sent over their 14,000 BTU smart Wi-Fi portable air conditioner, and listen, this unit is powerful, sleek, and so smart. It's ideal for cooling rooms up to 700 square feet, which makes it perfect for spaces like bedrooms, apartments, home offices, or even a garage like mine. If you didn't know, we're currently working on turning our garage into a mini home gym, and if you've ever spent time in a garage during Georgia summers, woo, you already know. Over the weekend, hubby and I were out there organizing, planning upcoming projects, which I'll be sharing soon, and we decided to test this out. The AC immediately started cooling the space down, and mind you, this is a 3-car garage and it handled it with no problem. We were able to stay out there late, comfortable, and do our job because it was cooling so fast. One of my favorite things about this is that it's a 4-in-1 system, so you get cooling, fan, and dehumidifier, and even a quiet sleep mode for nighttime use. Plus, it has smart Wi-Fi control, so you can just adjust the temperature or mode straight from your phone. Even set timers or weekly schedules to fit your routine. It's on wheels, which is super easy for me to move around, and it also comes with a removable washable mesh filter to help keep your air clean by filtering out dust and pet dander if you have pets. Installation was quick too. It comes with a window sealing kit that fits windows up to 67 inches, and the air outlet even has an auto swing function to help circulate the air more evenly. Dr. Prepare also sent over a mini personal fan just for moi, which I'll show you guys in a bit, but this AC unit alone has already made such a difference in how we use the space. I'm so excited to set up my gym. If you're working on any home projects or you have a room that just stays warm, definitely check this out. I have a discount code for you all, ROSE10, for you to save even more. Again, that's ROSE10. I'll leave the direct link and code in the description box below. Thank you again to Dr. Prepare for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Let's get right back into the video. Now, when it comes to your carpet or area rug, try to choose something that really reflects your style. Whether it's bold and abstract or soft and neutral, go with what you love, but don't forget to do your research on the right size for your space. The wrong size rug can throw everything off, so get one that grounds the room just right. Now let's talk cushions. There are so many options out there, from regular polyfill cushions to feather down inserts like the ones I use here in my living room. These are from IKEA and I love them because they give you that plush high-end feel, and yes, you can chop them for that perfect designer look. I use 2 sizes, 22 by 22 and 20 by 20. And here's a little trick I love when I'm styling the 20 by 20 inserts. I'll sometimes use an 18 by 18 pillow cover to give a more firm, structured shape. It just looks neater and more intentional. Personally, I prefer to invest in quality inserts and then just switch out the covers with the seasons. It's more affordable in the long run, gives you tons of flexibility, and you don't end up with a pile of bulky cushions you don't even use. Trust me, been there, done that. And don't forget texture. Mix in different fabrics like linen, boucle, and velvet adds depth to your space, even if you're sticking with neutrals. It's those little layers that make a big impact. Curtains can really elevate your space. I've been using Two Pages curtains for a while now and I'm obsessed. I love their linen and velvet options, so if you've watched any of my previous videos, you've probably seen them in different rooms. What I appreciate most is that they're custom made, which I highly recommend. Custom curtains just give your space that polished, elevated look that store-bought panels often miss. And yes, I'm an affiliate with Two Pages, so if you want to try them out, use my code Tiana at checkout and you'll receive your 22% off. That's what they're offering right now. That is TIAHNA at checkout. Now, I chose these neutral tone curtains because they complement my home's soft, cozy aesthetic. I'm thinking about changing how we hang them, so that's probably in the works pretty soon. That's the beauty of investing in quality pieces. You can always rearrange, rehang, and refresh without starting from scratch. Let's talk about coffee table. This table right here is a statement piece. I chose this real marble table intentionally. Some people love it, some people don't. Some people think it's too low or that it doesn't match the sofa, but let me tell you why I love it. First of all, the modern Japanese style is all about blending minimalism with warmth, and this piece does exactly that. It adds a touch of luxury, a hint of art, and honestly, it grows the entire living room. It is a lot of work. Yes, real marble needs to be sealed, cared for. It's not just a wipe and go situation, but that's what makes it feel intentional. I didn't want something traditional or overly trendy. I wanted something that made people stop and say, wow. Would I change it? Absolutely not. I may move it to another room, restyle it, but this piece, expensive, high-end, it has to say. So if you're choosing a coffee table, make sure it adds to the story of your home. It should feel grounded, proportional, and aligned with your aesthetic, whether that's marble, wood, glass, or something custom. The table anchors the room. Choose something that reflects you. I love me a good accent chair. Whether you have room for one or two, an accent chair is a small addition that can make a huge difference in your space. It's not just extra seating, it's an opportunity to layer in style, contrast, and texture. Now, I'll be honest, I'm actually on the hunt for a perfect pair right now. I do plan to switch this one out eventually, but for now, I'm letting this stay right here because the tone works. That rich brown pulls in the warmth from the other elements in the room and add contrast to the lighter palette. There are so many different types of accent chairs out there: modern, boucle, wood frame, upholstered, you name it. And thankfully, they come in a wide range of price points as well. So it's really about finding one that fits your style and your layout. My tip: choose a chair that not only anchors the corner or open space it sits in, but also complements your larger sofa. The two or one should feel like they're in conversation with each other, not competing. So don't overlook your accent chair. It's more than just a seat. Let it make a statement. Save the best for last: lighting. Now, this one surprised me because I never used to have a lamp in my living room, but ever since moving into this house, I started adding intentional lighting, and let me tell you, it changed everything. Whether it's winter or a gloomy day, the moment I flip the lamp on, it instantly makes the space feel warm, cozy, and lived in. It's that soft ambient glow that gives the room life. So yes, having a small side table with a lamp is a game changer. You could even go with a floor lamp or reading light, but the goal is to have more than just overhead lighting. Now, speaking of overhead lighting, invest in good ceiling fixture too. I have this stunning chandelier from Parrot Uncle. It's huge. It's like 70-something inch span, and I chose it to complement the scale of the living room and to highlight my tray ceilings. You can even use puck lights in your bookcases on your shelves. I love using them. These things are not just functional, it's also a major statement piece. The color, even my fan, the blades of the fan, everything about it feels elevated. So when you're planning your space, don't skip the lighting. Layer it, soften it, let it work for you. It's one of the easiest ways to make your living room feel intentional, high-end, and welcoming. All right, friends, that wraps up today's video. I really hope these tips help you feel a little more inspired to elevate your living room no matter the size of your space. Comment below and let me know what kind of video you'd like to see next. And I'm always reading your feedback and planning content around what you want. And of course, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share it with someone who'd loved it too. It might seem small, but it really helps the algorithm push this video to more people, and that support means the world. It's completely free, and it's the best little thank you you can give to help me keep showing up with more content like this. I appreciate y'all so much. See you all in the next one. Bye.